In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace wiper blades on a Chevy Malibu located on the front windshield. So lift the wiper arm up, and it does stop right here, but I always keep a hand on it because you never want it to come back and smash that windshield. So tilt the blade this way, you'll find a tab right there, push it in, push the tab in, and then push the blade down. Now I'm going to carefully rest that back on the glass and get the new wiper blade. So before you install your new wiper blade, make sure you take off that protective coating. It's a little plastic sheeting that goes on that in the shipment. Then we'll grab our arm. So now we're going to take the new wiper blade, and it's the hook style, and that's the type of clip that is installed, is the hook style. You're going to bring it right in, and it doesn't click or anything, but you'll feel it kind of seat when you push real hard, just like that. And then you can just bring it right down on your windshield. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.